past couple of months to the studio where I feel like I actually want to like give you guys like a little bit of a tour. It's still very much a work in progress, which I'm going to do some organizing with you guys today. But look at this! Isn't it so official? I got this custom sign made and put up, and I also painted this wall. Even the outlet is painted pink, which is pretty freaking awesome. I kind of wanted to show you guys like what a day in the office looks like, because everything is like super clean right now. I feel like now is a good time to kind of show you guys what it's like, so let's go. And if it's really loud, I'm sorry, because there's like a huge construction project that's going on literally right next to my office. So every single day, 7 a.m., they're working and so am I. So in the mornings, I like to start with, obviously first, my coffee. Look at this fucking bear mug that I got from Japan. I bought this as a present for my brother, but he like let me commandeer it, so it's mine now. I kind of feel like, what is the point of living if things are not like cute? Anyway, I like to start my mornings with my coffee, and then I also like to take inventory of all of my stock, because I do like really small batch orders of like, I sell in small batches because everything is like handmade to order by me, so I kind of just buy materials as I'm running out. So this is my materials book, and I just kind of like every like couple days, because it goes by really quick, I will just like take stock of like what I'm missing. So yeah, just gonna look through my stuff. And then I usually place an order with my suppliers online, or I can also go in person. But now, as of like yesterday, I'm now on texting basis with my supplier, which honestly, like, I'm so excited about, because now I don't have to go in to like see my suppliers like every like 2 weeks. It used to be so crazy because to keep up with the demand, I used to have to go in like every week. And that took just so much time. So yeah, I'm so glad that we're on a texting basis now, because I've been like buying supplies from them for a while, and so like they really vibe with me, I guess. And so yeah, that is making life a little bit easier, which feels really nice, because like I've only been doing this for like, I don't know, like 3 months or something. So there's still like a lot of like, I don't know, there's still a lot of learning curves that I'm going through like as a small business, and it's completely different because like, yeah, I don't know, it's just like completely different from anything I've ever done before, but it's all fun, it's all good. This is a really tiny space. Oh my god, I can't even stand to face you guys, it's so tiny. But this is really awkward. I wanted to show you guys this like new space that I set up, which I'm really excited about. So these are some of like my shipping tools up here, and I got this ladder desk from CB2. I got it years ago and I never put it up, and I was like, wow, I really regret buying this thing because there's like no use for it. But lo and behold, there is a use for it, and I'm so glad that I kept it. But I finally set up an area for like my like product development. So all of the stuff right here and some of the stuff down here is all stuff that I'm like currently designing. I thought this was really cute. If you guys can see, I, at the beginning of this year, attended a vision board workshop with some of my friends, and we had like a bunch of old newspaper and we had a bunch of old magazines that we ripped up to create like a vision board for this year. This was before I started this brand. In terms of decor, this is actually the first thing that I moved into this office, which I think is really, really cute, because I don't know, it's just something that I made with my friends, and like I felt like it was really symbolic and really cute. I also wanted to show you guys this cool new thing that I bought. This is a like gooseneck working lamp that I got from Canvas. I'm sure that everybody in the universe has been targeted by their Instagram ads because it's so good. And you know what? I was targeted by the ad and I bought it. Let me show you guys how this thing works. It's got like a really cool like swivel base. It's also really heavy, so it's not gonna move around, and it's like super adjustable. So I can like get like as close to whatever I'm working on, because you guys, I'm actually so blind at this point. Like I'm so nearsighted and farsighted. Like I can only see things like specifically from like right here. So I can't read, I can't do fine detail, and I also can't read things far away. So I literally can't see all the time. So this is really helpful, and you can turn it on and it gets pretty bright, as you can see, and then you can adjust the light, make it brighter. You can change the warmth or the coolness of it. It has this like clippy for your phone, and this like little hole in the center, so you can actually clip your smartphone and you can film your process of whatever you're creating, and you can like, I don't know, use that footage for like Reels or like TikTok or whatever, because we are prisoners to the algorithm. So yeah, I actually haven't used it for that yet, because I still haven't figured out like the lighting and the backdrop that I want for those types of videos. But yeah, I always get super excited whenever I get new like equipment. I think this could be considered as equipment. Yay! Then for this side, this is a huge work in progress still, but I kind of just wanted this a place to be where I display all of my samples like really nicely. Everything is really tall in my studio. Anyway, dried florals as usual, I'm a big fan of. These are from East Olivia, which are my favorite arrangements that I currently have in terms of dried florals. I'm thinking this is where I'm going to hang up some of my samples that are more of like my simpler designs. So like my everyday essentials collection, because these ones are just really easy to like display by hanging, so I can save some space. Hi! So, a very fun story about this mirror. I actually found this on the side of the street in Hollywood somewhere. I think I have a video still. I was with my friend and I was like, oh my God, I'm driving right now. Do you see that mirror on the side of the road? Can you grab that for me? And I had this in my house for probably like about a year. I never knew what to do with it, but I kind of just put it on the floor for now. It does look like a little bit odd, like right here, or I don't know, maybe it doesn't. But I kind of just felt like it's like the perfect like window into like a little world, because you can see how my office space like fits perfectly into this little mirror. I thought it was really cute, and it was free. I bought this ladder bookcase from, I think it was called Nathan and James, basically one of my favorite home blogger Instagram accounts uploaded this shelf, and I was like, oh my God, this matches perfectly with the one that I got from CB2, and it's also incredibly affordable. I got this for under $200, which is insane to me. And I also bought a couple of these like velvet necklace displays. And as you can see, I already kind of started putting up some of my pieces. These ones are kind of like the more like complex designs that get like tangled up pretty easily if I kind of just like don't like hang them up properly, because there's so many like dangling elements. And this arrangement is one of the first things that I bought for this office, and it is from my favorite floral shop in LA called Wild and Flora. This is literally the state of my samples right now, like my pieces that I like lovingly create by hand, just because I run out of space so easily. So that's why I have this display. I'm just gonna hang out my Stardust collection right now. And if you guys didn't know, I recently launched these designs in silver. You guys have been asking for those for literally months, like the second that I launched these. So if you guys haven't seen that yet, go to my store right now, because those are finally live and they were made just for you. I had this moment of realization where like I had a really bad day earlier this week where I just was like overcome with anxiety. It was really terrible, and as I was kind of like thinking about like all of these like anxious feelings, I kind of just felt like I want to go into my studio and I kind of just want to like hide, and I kind of just want to like make my jewelry, and like I just kind of want to hide here where it feels safe. I don't know, I just like how it's like my own little space, and like no one can come in here and bother me, and I can just be alone with like all of the things that I make and like all the things that I like, and I don't know, it's just been a really nice experience. I feel like this is like a creator's dream where you kind of just hide in a little hole and just like don't talk to anybody and just make things that make you happy. Oh my god! It's so cute! And then I got these like little earring holders, which I don't think I like these actually. They're like, it's not the right color. But that's okay, I will put them elsewhere. Hi! You wanna come sit with me? Where are you going? Come here, come sit with me. Hello everybody. Oh my god, my other dog. Demi, come here. They're coming to me. Oh my god. Hi everybody. Oh my god, my dogs never come into my office. I don't know why they're coming to me. So this is the state of my office. I know that I just showed you guys like a little like tour, but literally a couple days after that, all of these packages came in, and it's just been, this is how it's been for the last, yeah. Well, I got a plant, first of all, because I felt like it was a little bit like sterile and empty in here. Got a lot of plants. Excuse me. Got this other plant. Oh, I think this is an elephant ear plant. I don't remember. But my dad helped me plant these. Doesn't it look great? There's like so much life in here now. My babies are in here. So what is going on right now? So I got a very exciting package from overseas, and that is my sample packaging. So look at all of these babies. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. I'll give you guys like an up close. Can you guys see this? So this is what the box looks like. I really like it. It's got like the pink little ribbon tab that I chose out. Pulls out, and then you've got like a nice like sturdy foam insert, and then you just put the necklace in there. I just did like a sample order, so I only got 50 of these. So like I'm not actually like going to use these just yet. I kind of just wanted to see how I felt about them. I really do like them, but ultimately I think I might have to change my manufacturer. So I actually like don't know the state of the packaging yet. So yeah, this has been a huge work in progress for a while. I got a couple things. So this is a jewelry card that I got with my brand logo embossed in gold, and this is the Magnetic Hearts friendship bracelet that I do, so this is what it would look like. I also got earring cards with my logo embossed in gold, and let's see. I really wanted to do custom jewelry pouches, and so I picked out this really cute color, and it has like the embossing on it again. These ones are way too small to fit anything that I make right now. I think this is more for like a ring size, so I have to go back to the drawing board with these. So I think I'm gonna use these just for PR packages at this point, and then right now I'm still using just like the same basic packaging that I've been using so far, because I don't want to commit unless I really get it right. I had a lot of great conversations with different friends who had gone through the process of starting their business, and the general consensus is that packaging is hard. It's hard. You go through a lot of different manufacturers. You gotta, figure out your prices, your MOQs. It's a whole situation. So hello, look at my coworker. He never comes in here. I put this little dog bed in here for him, but he wasn't into it because it's really small. His dog bed in the house is like way bigger. Sleep well, my prince. I work so that you can sleep. As usual, this is a stock of our inventory. I sold out of my Sakura necklaces, so I just made a bunch of these. And then I sold out of all of my Milky Way stuff, so I spent like a good week and a half just making a bunch of them so that they're back in stock. This is a new part of my office that I just installed the other day, but this is like my materials. But look at all of my beautiful pearls. So I have like my lavender pearls. These ones are new ones that I just sourced the other day and I haven't used them in anything yet. And these ones are the white pearls that I always use. I'm just like really proud of the quality of my pearls. I definitely like, you know, spend the money on getting nice quality pearls, and it's reflected in the price of my pieces. That's it for this video. I think it's just like, you know, another huge work in progress, and I guess I feel a little bit bad because I'm just like, I wish I had something of more like substance to share with you guys, but like this is honestly just like the reality of like what I do these days. It's like not very sexy or exciting, but it's life and it's growth, and like honestly for me it's very exciting. So I don't know, I hope somebody thinks that it's interesting. But yeah, I think in my next studio vlog I want to focus more on sharing with you guys like the creation process of Romantique and like you know, just like making all my orders and stuff. So that will be next. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a nice summer, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.